All right, so we have Tsvetan here with me, co-founder of Fluent Frame, who has been using Sensorhub for a while and has achieved some great results that he'll share with us. So Tsvetan, tell me a bit more about you and what you guys do at Fluent Frame.
Yeah, absolutely. So Fluent Frame helps people turn text into animated videos, let's say docs. If you have an idea for a launch video or for a feature video, you can just quickly turn it into, you can turn your idea basically in an explainer video or a launch video without knowing anything about motion design or how to edit a video. So that's what we have been doing for the last 2 months. We pivoted previously from another idea that we had, and yeah, we're still improving it and making sure it delivers great value.
Some brilliant stuff. So tell me more about why you decided to use Sensorhub and overall to look into conversations and engagement on Reddit and other platforms, and if you used any tools in the space before that.
Yeah, so one of the things that motivate me to start looking for tools that are useful for searching for signals is that basically with a tool that can search for signals, I can find conversations where people are specifically searching for this solution. So it is quicker, so I can see that somebody in X has posted that he is searching for a tool that can help with turning their changelog into an explainer video, and I can go straight to them and say, hey, we have it. You can make sure to check it out and see if it can help you. So it actually helps me get to the buyer directly without having to spend time, like let's say having to write a blog post and wait in order for it to get indexed or doing something else. So basically I can find the people that are searching for such a solution quickly and easily with such signals. And Reddit is one of the best places where people are searching for products, where they're searching for solutions. So having Reddit and X as a platform helps me find like specific conversations where I can comment on. Was really useful to find our early adopters and basically get some traffic to our website, because it also helps with the domain rating, with people being able to, like ChatGPT being able to reference it, which has been really useful. So that's one of the reasons I can find conversations where people are searching for our solutions and not just spam ads or something else.
Okay, makes sense. So where's building your organic engagement, which also helps you with getting cited on LM platforms. And you use mostly Reddit, is that correct?
Yeah, mainly Reddit.
The signals from Reddit. So can you tell me a bit more about your day-to-day activities with Reddit, and for someone that is just starting out with Reddit marketing, any tips? I mean, you share your workflow, and I guess that will be helpful. But if you have any other suggestions on how to not get banned and what to do, that would be great.
Yeah, one of the things I have been banned multiple times from Reddit, and multiple accounts have been removed or permanently banned from me using the platform. So right now, what I make sure to do is not post a lot. So I'm just commenting 5 to 6 times per day. Before that, I was not commenting anything about the product. I was only joining some Reddits and just giving some general comments without anything to do with the product or targeting our customers. So I was able to get some karma that was helping me not get banned when I post in a new subreddit. Another thing that was important is that my account was older. It was 1 to 2 years old, which is also helpful, because if I start from the zero, if I get an account, let's say I created today, I need to make sure that I build some credibility in front of Reddit, so they don't see me joining 10 different Reddits and starting to comment everywhere fluent frame, and after that I just get banned, or someone reported me because I was just too spammy. So that's another thing that I make sure to do, and it's having an account that is warmed up, that I have some karma, it is old account, and I make sure to not comment too much. I just join some Reddits, and after a couple of days, if I see there's a signal, I make sure to comment there.
Nice. And talking about signals, how do you decide which signals to act on from Sensorhub?
Yeah, mainly I use the high potential leads, like high potential signals from Sensorhub. I make sure to just every single day I have a time box where I just go and look some of the new signals that I haven't checked out since yesterday. And basically I read the signal and decide if it's relevant. I go there and comment in Reddit. So basically me scrolling because I'm scrolling X, but for signals, and trying to basically find what is relevant right now and where can I bring value for the person that has commented and for the comment.
Yeah. Right. So you look at hot leads and high potential, and you look for like high intent conversations where someone is either asking for an alternative to an existing tool or looking for specific tool in your space, and you pretty much keep it pretty straightforward. Just mention what your tool does, and you also mentioned before that you don't use links. Just mention the name of the tool.
Yeah. Also, that's one other thing. I never add a link because Reddit, from my experience, doesn't like links. Even if you add a link for your company, for a couple of different competitors, just comparing it, they have banned me some time ago for doing such a thing. So I'm just putting Fluent Frame AI, so I can make sure they go to Fluent Frame, even if the name is only Fluent Frame. I just put Fluent Frame AI, so it always refers to fluentframe.ai.
Right, and people usually just Google, and then that goes as a direct traffic to your website. Okay, great stuff. And yeah, I mean, so a lot of people, some of our customers, they are afraid that it takes a lot of time, and you just mentioned that it doesn't have to be like such a complex process. You just spend like 10, 20, 30 minutes or so a day. Just make sure to respond on, at the right time when we send you like the live signal, and then that's pretty much all you do. It's not like you don't write very long. Just keep it simple, brief answers. Is that right?
Yeah, I just keep it simple, so I make sure that the comment is not a paragraph long or something else. I just make sure to type it quickly, or I'm just using Whisper in order to click a button and just tell what I want to say. Even I don't even check if there are any mistakes, like grammar or something else, because also like some people, I just try to be genuine, like if I'm writing it. So that also doesn't save me time, and people think that a real human wrote the comment, because I think this is really bad for Reddit. If people think that the comment is AI, everyone is like, this is bullshit because it's AI. So they make sure not to read it or something else. And when they feel that the human has written it, or that I say that always that I'm the co-founder of the company. If they need any help with prompts or feedback, they can make sure to reach out. So that's what has worked for me. Like for the last 2 months, I haven't been banned, so hopefully I keep having my account. But yeah, that's the main thing I try to do.
Nice, awesome. And talking about the results, could you please share some of your numbers? I was truly impressed with what you guys managed to do with just this simple strategy.
I'll make sure to share my screen. Can you see it right now?
Yes.
Yeah, super. So here we were able to get a lot of our organic search. Here, half of it was from direct traffic and organic search, and most of it has been because we have been using Sensorhub for the leads, for the signals, and it has helped us find some relevant signals where people are just starting to search our tool. Here, as you can see, 70%, we have 3.1K in the last 2 months from a website that we bought the domain not long ago. Let's say last 12 months. Like it's a new domain. this traffic isn't from Fluent, it's from another Fluent Frame. But let's say I think like in January we bought it or something like that. So it's not that long ago when we started using the platform, like the specific domain. And we were able to get some decent results just by, we don't have any blog, like we have a few blog posts, but they aren't a lot, and mainly the people that come from on the website are from organic search.
Got it. So around like 3,000 users for 3,000 visitors for the last couple of months. And just to clarify, this is without any other SEO or AO efforts. Pretty much no content on your website, no domain rating. It's a brand new domain, brand new startup. Just posting out on Reddit, and people find you from there. And that also you managed to get like 800 users, you mentioned? 700 users?
700.
Yeah, 700 users, which is pretty impressive. I mean, like just from very simple organic strategy that doesn't cost a lot, and it's very easy. Even like if you do that from SEO, would take way longer than that just to get any people at all to your website. So that's a legit strategy to get, first users and actually engage with people that are trying your platform, and also your first customers, pretty much, right?
Our first.
Awesome, man. Thanks for taking time. Really appreciate it. And if you guys like that case study, just make sure to try it out, Sensorhub.ai. And thanks again, Tsvetan.
Yeah, thank you too. Love the product and happy to be a power user of it. So keep improving it and shipping.